Welcome to Cooling Comfort, the Indian AC Buying Guide. This video offers a comprehensive roadmap for selecting the perfect air conditioner for your home. Step 1 is selecting the type, split or window AC. Split ACs offer flexible installation but cost more, while window ACs are budget-friendly and easier to install. Split ACs are the modern standard, offering higher energy efficiency, silent operation, and flexible installation. Window ACs are best for smaller rooms or rented apartments due to their lower cost and easy installation. The inverter advantage brings consistent cooling and significant savings. Inverter technology adjusts motor speed for precise temperature control, potentially saving 30 to 40% on electricity. Finding the right tonnage is crucial. Use this guide: 0.8 to 1.0 ton for small rooms, 1.5 ton for medium rooms, and 2.0 ton for large halls. Add 0.5 ton for top floors or heavy sun exposure. Efficiency is gold, which is where ISEER ratings come in. The Indian Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio, or ISEER, is the metric defined by BEE. A higher rating means lower electricity bills, with every star adding 15% to 20% savings. The copper advantage features 100% copper coils, which are highly resistant to corrosion and ideal for humid Indian climates. Copper offers superior heat exchange, longer lifespan, and is easier to repair. Consider smart features and air health. Smart Wi-Fi allows remote control. PM 2.5 filters remove allergens for healthier air. A four-way swing ensures uniform cooling. For extreme climates, look for high ambient cooling, which can handle temperatures up to 55 degrees Celsius. Monsoon mode, or dry mode, helps manage sticky humidity without overcooling during the rainy season. Comparing annual operating costs shows significant savings with higher efficiency. A 5-star inverter AC offers the lowest cost, while a 3-star non-inverter is the most expensive to run. Use this installation checklist. Select the right location, ensure proper leveling, complete crucial vacuuming, and add protection with a stabilizer if needed.